If you're short on time, well, this one's just for you. Welcome to Oscar's Rapid Review. This is the new Rolex Sea Dweller Deep Sea Challenge 126067. 50mm in size, 23mm in height, 9.5mm thick. The crystal is waterproof to 11 kilometers. This is Rolex's first commercially available Grade 5 titanium watch. The head is balanced by the bracelet, which has a lug width of 23mm wide, enough to keep the whole thing on the wrist without spinning around. I think it's safe to say that this was never designed to be a daily wearer. It's an absolute flex of Rolex waterproofing prowess. It will sit brilliantly with the wider collection, and it definitely is a talking point piece. Whether I personally wear it or not, I'm really glad that it exists, and I'm glad and excited to see where Rolex will go with their newfound use of Grade 5 titanium. If you'd like to see more of this watch, please do check out the full-length video on our channel.